Calm down.
What the fuck? You just drove all the way down the wrong side of the road and cut in there. What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh, you're going to do it again, are you? Are you that much of a piece of shit you can't sit in the queue? That was the fucking one that was sitting there with no indicator on at the turn-in. Fucking retard. I'm guessing what he was trying to do was go all the way down, cut the queue out, make that turn-in he took, and got stuck up when something came the other way. What the fuck? It's clearly busy and that's not possible. Complete arsehole. The fuck? Use your eyes. The fuck are you doing? Can't even say I wasn't, like he was already in the road. You fucking twat. Why are you in the road? You're in the road. There's a perfectly good pavement right there. Fucking pitch black and you're walking in the road. Dickhead. Oh wow, that's smart, isn't it? Look at the coming down the road and stick the baby in front of it. Come on, there you go, you can cross. Really? Really? That's where you got to stop and have a fucking hug, you fit cunts. Fucking hell. Fucking awful parking. Fucking hell. Wasn't expecting that. Wow. What look at me like that for? Cunt. Trying to go the wrong way up a fucking one-way street. Fucking idiots. The fuck are you doing? Idiot. I can't go anywhere, can I? You're in the way. Idiot. You're gonna hit that car. Retard. What are they even doing? I didn't know Maserati made bicycles. That Tesco lorry's blocking the whole road. And that's okay to just block the whole street because you need to make a delivery? That can't be right.